Hey there, look what landed on my doorstep today. The new Illustrated Faith All Things New devotional kit. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought we could open it together and see what's inside the package. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Okay, so we've got the little packet that comes in a little envelope. Exciting. Let's get all this out. Oh, I see a butterfly. I'm loving it already. All right, so our kit is called All Things New. And then, of course, you've got our little note from Shauna. And the note says, "Hi, lovely. I can't wait for you to dig into this month's focus of all the ways that God is making all things new. There's lots of scripture to look up, explore, and respond to in creative ways. Even a song to listen to on your favorite media location. Have fun and remember that nothing is out of God's reach." It's a cute note from Shauna. I love that. So let's go ahead and open the washi tape first. Okay, so the washi tape has, let me see, can't find the end. It has some little decorations on there. That's really pretty. Let's put this over here. And we'll put that like so. So it's got a bunch of little triangles and stuff on there. Oh, let's get this out. I'm loving this stamp set already with a little butterfly. Super, super cute. All right, so it's got a butterfly, some triangles to go with the washi tape, and then it says, "He makes all things new" for our words, and then it's got a little dot and then another little triangle over here. I love that. I'm really gonna love using this butterfly. Okay, and let's put that over here. Then we're going to have our tip-ins. So we've got a tip-in, and this one has a verse. And then this green one also has a verse. And the black one has a verse. "He shall be to you a restorer." Ooh, that's looking fun. Okay, very fun. I'm liking that. Oh, there's a sticker. Or maybe, is it a, yep, it's a sticker. All Things New. And then we're going to have our stickers. So we've got hearts. "He pours out mercy." This one with a little musical notes is really pretty. "He wins" is a little arrow. Fun. And then, of course, we have a bunch of words. I love those. Super, super cute. All right, and then we're going to have our cards. So we've, well, there's a bunch here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like it's gone with the last 2 kits before this. There was 8 cards. So we've got, this one has a verse, some stuff on the back. So that's going to go with session 1 through 8, I'm assuming. This one has a verse. Another verse. Yay, another verse. That one also has a verse on it and prompts on the back. "He renews strength" and a verse. "He pours out mercy" and a verse. So I really like it when they have, and this one also has a verse. So all 8 of the cards come with a verse, and then they all have little stories on the back and prompts too. So I really love that. I love that because I'm a new Bible journaler. I really love that it comes with a place to get started, because sometimes I have a hard time figuring out where to start, and I really like it when there's a little story on it, so that it gives me kind of a place to jump out at and maybe go find some other stuff I want to put with my kit, like a cute picture or some stamps or whatever I'm going to use for it. But that is everything that comes in the All Things New devotional. I'll put a link down in the description box if you want to head over and grab that up. So I hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.